Okay guys, let's open one by one, but I will skip this yeah, all metal inside. Yeah. Okay, first we'll open the small one. This is Beyblade. Yeah, I like Beyblade V1. Yeah? I like the small one, not the plus one, because the plus one is it's hard to reset it. But for the normal one, the version 1, it's easy, yeah, to reset it so that you can change the user. You can change it to yourself, yeah. Actually, yeah. You can create account on Beyblade Takaratomi, and then make it yours, yeah. Okay. Here is a Beyblade. Yeah, focus on it. Okay. Beyblade. Then which one first? This is all driver. A lot of driver inside. Yeah, you can see dash, not dash. Yeah, a lot of it. Yeah. Let's try to open it. Quick view it. Yeah, just quick. Yeah, not to see everything, but just quick one. Let's make this quick. Let's try to slice it. Slice the top. Okay. Oh, see here we have ultimate reboot. What we have here, Zephyr dash, and here, wow, this is like, it's merge dash, but the blue is very nice, yeah. And we have variable dash here, awaken variable dash. Check it out. And here, okay. What else? We have zone, we have bearing, red one. We have how to say this one? Not this one is ignition. Hybrid, yeah, hybrid. Oh, we have also universe. We have charge dash. You can see charge dash here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, a lot of things. Sometimes I can't remember everything. But yeah, this is also dash, non-dash. Yeah, also the same. Yeah, we have here all driver. We have here a lot of things. Oh, this is nice driver. See. They mix it, yeah. Dash and non-dash, but it's like a good one, yeah? See, we have keep dash, we have quick dash, the latest one here on Spriggan Achilles. This one is quick dash also, but this one is from, I think, oh my god, I forgot the name, but yeah. This one, normal one. Oh, we have a lot of atomic driver here, and this is lovely driver, the most favorite driver in tournament, which is X10 Plus. Yeah, we have red one. We have purple. Is it clear? Okay, purple. Oh, we have purple also. This. How to differentiate those purple, yeah. Okay. Don't mix it. Okay, what else we have here? Oh, again another quick dash, yeah? A lot of quick dash. Okay, good stuff. Yeah, still I can see the most favorite attack, yeah. The most attack driver, which is extreme dash, yeah. Quite new extreme dash, yeah. You can see the hole still in still good, yeah, in perfect condition, 100%. I think not in use at all. This extreme dash, this is first extreme dash, yeah? Which is quite expensive, I can say that, yeah. And yeah, a lot of things. Let's move on. We still have lots to go to open, yeah. SK GT What is this? Curse Satan. Wow, this is Curse Satan. How can Curse Satan be this big? I'm not sure. I think they just mix it with others, and Curse Satan is the most expensive inside here. Yeah. Plastic bag. Sorry, I hurt you. Wow. Okay, we have a remake bear here. Remake bear also, and we have a rock here. And here is Curse Satan Black, Curse Satan Grey, and Curse Satan. This is not Curse Satan. This is what is it? I don't remember, but it's Satan also. And we have Uranus and also Satan here. And the most expensive for now, yeah, we have Abyss. Abyss. This is Abyss. This is oh my god, I forgot the name. But yeah, we have it. His brother, yeah. And Valkyrie. We have our Imperial Dragon. Knockout Odin, yeah. Okay, Imperial Dragon, Knockout Odin. And we have this one, Burn Phoenix, both color, yeah, orange and blue. And Master Diabolos. Okay, let's open everything. How to open this one? Very it goes here. A lot of plastic bag. Okay, let's move it a while. Okay, I hope it's clear, yeah. We have a lot of new items here. You can see we have Brave Valkyrie, all Super Kings, yeah. Tempest Dragon, Rash Longinus, God Layer, yeah, we have Arc Bahamut, yeah, 3 color Arc Bahamut, all 3. Okay, we have here Mirage Fafnir, and I don't remember, Lucifer, yeah, Lucifer 2S, this one. Okay, and we have our this one MG, yeah, Maximum Garuda. Okay, Spriggan. Okay, chip, got chip. Okay, Ragnarok. Oh, another Spriggan here. Another Helios here. This is Helios what? Yeah, I don't remember. But this, oh, is both is Helios Super Hyperion. Helios, Hyperion, right? This is Helios. Another Spriggan. So many Spriggan. I don't know why people not using Spriggan. Okay, let's move on. Next one. Don't have much time. This will be a quick video, yeah. Don't worry. Just watch everything. Yeah. That was it. Okay. Oh, we have got layer here. Spriggan Requiem. See? Spriggan Requiem. I think this is all the layer and the driver and the D's, yeah. Oh, we have that headers here. With extreme dash or not? Oh no, not extreme dash here. I think the extreme dash is already outside just now, as you can see. The remake layer, Amaterios, and we have Phoenix here. Purple Phoenix, Green Phoenix, dead phoenix, yeah, and the normal one. We have Valkyrie collection and that headers. We have also here, wow, all four, yeah. Air Knight. Okay, we have up edges, and we have here Archer Hercules, 3 Archer Hercules. We have Hell Salamander. Okay, the normal one, the original color. And what is this? Oh, this is remake bear. Don't have driver? No. Driver kick dash is already outside. Let's move on. Put everything inside the plastic bag. I will sort it out later. Yeah, when I have free time. Okay. We have small one here. What is it? This is driver. I don't like to open it. See, all revolve, yeah, all color of revolve here. The green one, the orange one, the black, blue, white, gold, yeah. Okay. Second last box. Okay, all GT. Wow, knockout Odin. 2 knockout Odin here. We have naked, all 3 naked here. We don't have blue one here. We have red, black, and green. Quite nice collection, yeah, exactly, I can say that. We have 3 color of Cosmo. We have 2 Judgment, yeah? Judgment layer. We have Pegasus layer here, and we have see, we have Goku here. Oh, this is Achilles, yeah, Achilles. Oh, we got red Pegasus. Okay, Bahamut, the red Bahamut, and here we have Prime Achilles, Prime Apocalypse, yeah. Then there's GT layer also, a lot of GT layer, and remake one, GT, Remax, GT, and we have Valkyrie here. Yeah, I like Valkyrie so much because it is high demand. Okay, and this we have Zue Bahamut, not Bahamut, Zue Diabolos. Yeah, we have Tuck here, 3 color of Tuck, tag Longinus, tag Fafne, tag Diabolos. Yeah. And we have here Spraygun, yeah? Spraygun, Lot Achilles, and we have here Paradox, blue one. Okay, the last packaging, the last bundle. Okay, let's open the last bundle. Last bundle, I think this is almost nothing, yeah. It's just a frame. Luckily we opened the frame at the last, yeah. Frame and chip. GT chip. I can see it. I can see it. Frame and GT chip, yeah. See, all frame. Wow, this is a good frame. See, we have here bomb, we have here cross, we have here expand, yeah? And here's some more. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, just mix it of frame, and I hope I find some good chip here. We have Pegasus, Fafne, yeah. Collection of Fafne, I think. And here I think mix it of chip, yeah. Mix it of frame. No need to open it. Yes, you already can see it. It's just mix it of frame. Okay guys, thank you very much. Hope to see you in next video. Follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.